Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your mentorship search using MentorCruise and LinkedIn. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the MentorCruise website. Log into your account using your credentials. Once logged in, explore the available mentors based on your field of interest. Filter mentors by industry, experience, and topics relevant to your goals. Select a mentor whose profile resonates with your needs. Carefully review their background, skills, and testimonials. Click on the Book a Session button to initiate contact. Confirm your session details and discuss your mentorship expectations. Meanwhile, open a new tab and go to LinkedIn. Log in to your LinkedIn account. In the search bar, type the names of the mentors you found on MentorCruise. Send connection requests to these mentors, including a personalized message. Express your interest in their expertise and mention your MentorCruise connection. Once connected, engage with their posts to build rapport. Keep an eye on your LinkedIn notifications for any replies from your new connections. Utilize LinkedIn's messaging feature for quick follow-up discussions. Share updates about your mentorship journey on LinkedIn to attract like-minded professionals. Regularly check your MentorCruise account for session feedback and future mentorship opportunities. By using both platforms effectively, you enhance your mentorship search experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.